Good day there, guys. Nova Newfie here. Lovely day here in the Maritimes. Got a new batch of chickens. Those 25 now are all cleaned up and in the freezer. Healthy birds. We lost one out of the 25 of them. Just as a chick, don't know what happened to him. Not too used to this chicken thing, but learning along the way. But got a new problem here today with the chickens. Got a new batch, and the last batch didn't have this problem, but they got some sort of this sneezing. They're sneezing and you can hear it in their chest, like some sort of chest infection. Anyways, I'll catch one here and see if you guys can hear it. Maybe somebody can give me a hand and figure out what's going on with these chicks. I got one here. I'll get down here in the out of the wind so maybe you can hear better. See, he's lively as can be, you know, he's not gasping or nothing, but I don't know if you guys can hear that. Definitely wheezing. Anyways, I have 20. These are the guys that are all like it. I don't know if there's a spread to the rest of them, but I blend it. They sneeze and cough and everything. They're eating and everything, and I got them on the medicated feed, and I blended up some turmeric and put it in their water. Supposedly antibiotic properties in it. I don't want to give them anything, you know, bad stuff what you get from chickens from the stores, the whole purpose. So I'm trying to do it naturally as possible. Anybody got any natural remedies, or can even tell me what the problem is with my chickens? Hopefully they don't die. I got them separated from the rest of them. The rest of them all seem to do real good. All here, look at all lively as can be. And anyways, guys, if you guys can let me know what's happening, greatly appreciate it. Nova Newfie out.